Hello guys, what is going on? Today I'm going to show you how to activate beast mode on your Galaxy Note 20 or Note 20 Ultra, or basically any other phone. But we're going to focus on the Note 20 Ultra today. Now what I mean by beast mode is improving the efficiency and the speed of the overall phone, because when it comes out of the box, it's not as fast as it can be. I'm going to show you a bunch of tricks that basically anyone can do. So the Note 20 you see in front of you is currently on beast mode. So it's currently running all the optimizations that I'm going to show you today. So first one is going to settings, about phone, software information. Then you go over here to build number and keep tapping it until it says you're a developer. And as you can see, developer mode has already been turned on. You will have this new option called developer options. So you just tap that and go down until you see these free animation scale options. So by default, they're gonna be at 1. So what we're gonna do is switch them to 0.5, or if you want maximum speed and you don't care about eye candy or beautiful animations, then you can just turn them off completely. So as you can see, they're all at 5. And this is the result. The phone is much faster. And on stock, you don't get that. Next up is black theme, not dark theme, not the one that comes as an option in all the Samsungs. Black. And customize your phone's accent color. So as you can see, mine's a bit purple, but it's hard to see on camera, but in real life you know what I mean. So, and also if you go to my settings, you'll see that it is all black. And not only does this theme your system, it also themes all the apps that are supported. So as you can see, this app is called Swift Installer. This used to work only with Root, but now it works without Root, at least for Samsung devices. So as you can see, install. These are all the apps that are themed. There's my WhatsApp, for example. So I'm not gonna get into how to use this app because I wanna make this video short, but basically you just download Swift Installer. Swift Installer, this one over here. Unfortunately, it does cost money, but it is absolutely worth it. Here you can see I even wrote a review. Kind of outdated. So it costs $1 or $2, but it's absolutely worth it. These guys work really hard to theme all these apps, because every time the app comes out with an update, they gotta update it as well. Which brings me to the downside. When an app does update and it's themed, it may not open. So that means you're gonna have to go back to Swift, go to update, then after you update, it's gonna prompt you to go to Synergy, which is an app it works with. These are what we call overlays that have been imported from Swift. Swift themes the apps and Synergy makes it happen basically. So you build, follow all the instructions. It's really not that hard, and anyone can do it. I can't do it now because it's gonna mess up my phone, because I already did once. And how does this help improve beast mode? Well, you know, more black apps equals better battery life, better efficiency. So, you know, because of the OLED display that we have. Next is also has to do with animations. So we go to settings, advanced features, and reduce animation. So it just tones down the motion effects on the screen, such as when the apps are opened or closed. And I just read exactly what's written here. It is gonna move those animations quicker. So yeah, it does help. The phone is currently running Nova Launcher, which is also part of beast mode. And I use Nova Launcher with all of my phones, especially Samsung's, because I cannot stand their icons. It just looks so ugly. And luckily with Nova, you can change the icons. That's not the only reason I use Nova. Also because of this, take a look. You have all these settings, all this customization, but the best way to start for beast mode is you go to look and feel, animation speed, faster than light, scroll speed, faster than light, and this makes a huge difference. Swipe up, search, open it, and it's that easy, and it is very, very quick. If you want to know how I got these icons, you can download custom icon packs from the Play Store, and you go to here, the settings. If you don't have this, then you can just hold and settings, look and feel, icon style, and just choose the icon. I can choose system, marshmallow, or lines. As soon as you download an icon pack, it's gonna show up here, and just tap that, and there you go. Next up, always sleeping apps. So always sleeping apps will help with battery overall. So you go to settings, device care, battery, app power management, sleeping apps. There's also deep sleeping apps, but I wouldn't touch that. There you go, sleeping apps. And I put all of the apps, because just because they're here, it doesn't mean you won't get notifications. They may be delayed, but Apps that I don't absolutely need notifications from, I put here. Also, you see all apps. I put everything except for WhatsApp, because WhatsApp, I do not want delayed messages. And next up is clearing the system cache after an update. This is gonna work better with small updates like security patches or bug fixes, but after like a major Android version upgrade, like going from Android 10 to 11, I recommend doing a full factory reset, because that way your phone's gonna work best. Clear the system cache. You power the phone off. When it's completely off, you hold power and volume up. You're gonna keep them held until you see this there. When it goes black, you let go. And here we are in Android recovery. So as you can see, we have all of these options over here. This is where you literally go if the phone crashes or there's a certain problem. In our case, we just want to clear cache. So we use the volume buttons to go up and down. You can also factory reset through here. So be very careful not to select this, because the cache option and the factory reset are right next to each other. So don't factory reset your phone by accident. So as you can see, we have our wipe cache partition selected. Power button to continue. Are you sure it cannot be undone? Clear wipe cache. Yes. It's going to show down here the cache wipe is complete. And then we're going to reboot system. And that is pretty much it. Now my phone is as quick as I can even go as far as to say a OnePlus 8 Pro. So I'm sure there's more stuff we can do, but those are the main things that will make a difference. If you think I missed something, leave them in the comments. Or if you have any questions, put them in the comments as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.